So Orlando Pirates have done it again. Another movie to watch, another movie to listen to. Sobukela indaba zabantu manje ukuthi kuyenzakalani inside of the club, whatever and stuff. But I don't have a problem with Pirates releasing a documentary about what's happening inside the club, because all of us is what's really going on behind the curtains, behind the cameras, But I have a problem with this one, My problem is we've become a PR machine. Orlando Pirates have become a media machine, PR machine. I don't have a problem if you win the league, if you win the Champions League, good. But this, I have a problem with it. I haven't watched it. I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna go to this time around. Ngoba last, siyazi uMarco wins it.